你好, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Susie the Phoenix. In this video, we're going to learn how to tell time in Chinese. Let's begin. 点 means the dot or o'clock in this topic. So if it's 1 o'clock, it's 1 o'clock on the dot. For example, 3 o'clock, 3点 5 o'clock, 5点 8 o'clock, 8点 2 o'clock is different. For now, can remember 2 also means 2. So I don't want to go too much detail in this topic. So 2 also means 2. But when it's 2 o'clock or 2:30, 2:15, have to use 2点. So 2 o'clock, 2点. 半 half. So it's 1:30, 1:30, 1点半 8:30, 8点半 6:30, 6点半 5:05, 5点半 2:30, 2点半。分 minute or minutes. 1:10, 1点10分 3:20, 3点20分 25 minutes past 4, 4点25分 6:20, 6点20分 5 minutes past 2, 2点05分 0 is 0. So you start with the hour first in Chinese, and then you say the minutes. Okay, 5 minutes past 2, 2点05分。一刻 is a quarter. So 2 words have to be together, 1 quarter. Quarter past 1. 1点一刻 quarter past 3. 3点一刻 quarter past 7. 7点一刻 quarter past 11. 11点一刻 quarter past 2. 2点一刻 2点一刻。差 is less or takeaway. So use these words used when it's 1/2 a time, when it is closer to the next hour. For example, 1:45. So next hour is 2 o'clock. You say 2 o'clock, 差 is takeaway, a quarter. So it's 1:45. So you're reading it different way as English. Okay, 1:45. 2点差一刻 1:45. 4点差一刻 10 minutes to 8. 8点差一刻 5 minutes to 12. 12点差5分。Okay, now see if you can listen a time and work out what time is it. 5点半 5点半 5:30, 5点半 Next one. 4点一刻 4点一刻 quarter past 4. 4点一刻 10点10分 10点10分 10 past 10. 10点10分 2点差一刻 2点差一刻 quarter to 2. 2点差一刻 Okay, thank you for listening, and please subscribe and press the bell for the notification, and follow me on Facebook and LinkedIn. The link is in the description area down below. 谢谢，再见。